Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of February. It is a smaller box, but it is packed full. So for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, whatever you want, and you can indicate in your profile what you want to have sent and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and then you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items, you're going to get a 25% discount, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee to the total cost of the box. I no longer have the styling fee because I was offered the Style Pass a couple of years ago, and so I pay $49 every year to have unlimited fixes styled for me. And basically that allows me to get a box but not have any obligation to keep anything. However, I've never had a box where I haven't kept at least something from the box. This month I asked my stylist to send me some pants for work. I did request maybe some colored pants that I could wear to work, and so we're going to get in the box to see what I got for this month. When you open up the box, my box is kind of packed full, but you have your package. You're going to have your shipping envelope, so shipping is free both ways. You will use this envelope to send back anything that you don't want to keep, or if you need to make any exchanges. You're going to have a little envelope, and inside the envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 30 for me. It is a pricier fix for me. It's actually the priciest I've ever had. Set that to the side. And then you're going to get your Oh Hello card, and inside of that is a note from your stylist, but it also has styling cards for all the items in your box. And I'm going to read my note real quick. My stylist is Kara, and I've had her the whole entire time. It says, "Happy New Year, Jennifer. I hope your holiday season was as fabulous as you are. I'm always thrilled to see what you love in your fixes, and I truly enjoy your notes. They make my day. Well, the seasons change, years come and go, but evolving your wardrobe and style together can only grow stronger. Let's wave goodbye to 2020 and embrace 2021. May the new year bring all the good things in life you deserve, starting with this fresh fix. If you love a pant, you need to have it in every color. I found you the Liverpool Jacqueline pant, 33-inch inseam in 3 different hues. I snagged them all and figured you could pick and choose if you want them all or 1 or 2. As for tops, I chose a classic striped sweater for once again its beautiful jewel tones. Then the Calvina blouse has this pretty bell sleeve that I think you'd appreciate. Enjoy, Kara." So I did tell her in my note that I enjoyed the black Jacqueline skinny pants that she had sent to me last year sometime, and so I did ask if she could find a pair of those in a different color that I would like to have those sent to me. And so here's what my styling card looks like, and I'm going to set that to the side. And here's what my bundle looks like. And so this is a pricier fix because it looks like she sent me 3 pairs of pants and 2 tops. So let's get into it. So the first item I have is by Rainn. It is a Calvina bell sleeve blouse in indigo. And it looks like this. It's got a really pretty floral print. It's navy background. It has some sheer sleeves with this bell sleeve right here. I don't mind a smaller bell sleeve, but I don't like the really big ones. It has some pretty detail up here at the top. It has orange and kind of a cream and kind of a light blue color. So I like that. It's really pretty. We'll see how that looks on. Next is the Camuto Ballie Crewneck Pullover in black. And I think this is the one that she said she picked because of the jewel tones. So it's just a striped sweater. It's kind of lightweight. And it looks like it's got like some mint green, a darker green, a gray, a light pink, a burgundy, a black, and then a darker gray. So there's the stripes. It's got a black cuff here. And then it has black cuffing at the bottom there. That's cute. And then all the pants, and they are all the same type of pant. They are the Liverpool Jacqueline skinny pant. This one is a navy. Now it looks almost like a dark gray, almost. It's not like what I would consider to be like a true navy blue. And I like these pants because they're stretchy, they're long enough, they're comfortable. So those are nice. And then she sent me a purple pair. This one says dark purple. I really like the color of those. And it looks like that would go really well with maybe that sweater. We'll have to try that on together. And then the last pair are olive, and I really don't own a lot of colored pants. So if these work, I may keep them all, but we'll have to see about, you know, the total price and everything like that. There's the olive color. I like olive a lot. It goes well with like cream and, you know, like pale yellow and things like that. So that's really pretty. So I'm gonna try these outfits on. I'm gonna try to pair the tops with the pants, and I'll be right back with a try on. All right, guys, I'm back with the first two items, and on top I have the Daniel Rainn, let's see. On top, it's the Daniel Rainn Calvina bell sleeve blouse in indigo. And so it's this really pretty navy background with this like cream and like burnt orange and kind of like a golden color. It's got a little keyhole here at the top. I have a cami on underneath. I usually wear a cami under everything because I'm a school teacher. The sleeves are a little sheer because you can kind of see through them. They've got this cute little bell sleeve. It's not too big. I don't like the great big bell sleeves. And it has elastic right here, but the elastic is loose, so it's not tight around the wrist or anything like that. So the cute little keyhole, and then it's got some like crochet detailing right here around the neckline and a little button right here for the keyhole. The sleeve length is good. It comes down long enough. It has this built-in navy blue lining right here. It's attached, so it's not separate. It does come down a little bit longer in the back. I do like the colors. I think it's really pretty. So tell me what you guys think. I did pair it with the navy blue Jacqueline skinny pant by Liverpool. And like I said, the navy blue is not, like I don't feel like the pants are like a true navy blue. I feel like they almost are, I don't know, maybe a slate blue, almost like a little bit gray in there. But my husband said that paired together, he couldn't really tell that this was like more navy than these were. So the length is good. I know that these pants fit because I own a pair in black. And so tell me what you guys think about this first outfit. And I'll try on the sweater with the next pair of pants. All right, guys, I'm back with the next two items. And on top, I have this sweater by Camuto, the Ballie Crewneck Pullover. It says it's in black, but it's a striped mixed pattern here. I'm gonna get up close so you can see all the different colors. So you have like, kind of like a mint green, an olive green, a light gray, light pink, like a dark burgundy or purple, black, and then a darker gray. The cuffs at the bottom of the sleeve are black. And then the cuffing down at the bottom of the sweater is also black. It's not a high-low or anything, it just comes around straight. And I paired it with the dark purple Jacqueline skinny pant by Liverpool. And I think this goes really well together. I like the colors. I like the skinny pant, of course. So overall, I think this is a really cute sweater. And I think she did a good job of pairing things together because like the Daniel Rainn top goes well with the navy pants, and this sweater goes well with this purple, dark purple pant, but I think it's gonna go well with the olive. So I'm gonna try this sweater on with the olive pants and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the last pair of pants, and so I just paired this same sweater with the pants because the sweater does have like an olive green in it. I do think I prefer the sweater with the dark purple pants. So basically, I asked my stylist to send me some colored pants, and she delivered. So I think I could pair these pants with a lot of different tops. I have a leopard print top with like a cream background, and then you could throw on a black cardigan, and I think it would be really cute. So I'm gonna change and I'll get back with you and we'll do a recap. All right guys, we're back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And so my stylist Kara does a phenomenal job. I asked for some colored pants and she sent me lots of different options. The box was pricier because of that, but because I'm 5'10" and I have a 33 to 34 inch inseam, I really have a hard time finding pants, and the fact that she sent me multiple options was really kind of nice. On my list here, first off is the Daniel Rainn Calvina bell sleeve blouse in indigo. And if you watch any of these videos, you know that Daniel Rainn can be a little bit pricey. This is a really pretty top. I like the sheer sleeve. I thought it was really pretty. It paired well with those navy pants, even though they're slightly like a kind of a slate blue, kind of gray kind of tint to them. But I think this is really pretty. It has the built-in navy blue cami in there, so it's not like one of the ones that has the straps where it's going to slide around. It's put in there completely, so that was nice. And let's see what it's made of real quick. I feel like it's going to be polyester, which for me, polyester doesn't bother me because it's really easy to wash and wear. So it says the self is 100% polyester. The lining is also 100% polyester. So, you know, this is one of those tops that I think is going to hold up really well. And it is $68. So I kind of expected that with that brand. Next is the Liverpool Jacqueline skinny pant in olive, and this was in a size 10, and I think they fit well, but I knew that they would because I have the black pair, and the olive ones are 78. The dark purple ones are a little bit more expensive. They are 82, but I love that color, and I love the way it paired with that sweater. And then here are the navy blue. I think it says navy. Yeah, it says navy, but like I said, it's almost like a slate blue, but I still like them a lot. And these are also like the olive, 78. And then the last item was the Vince Camuto Crewneck sweater, and I love the colors. I am a huge fan of jewel tone colors, and I think Kara knows that, and so she sent this sweater to me. And I really love the way that it paired with the purple pants. And Vince Camuto is also kind of a pricey brand, and this sweater was $78. So what do you guys think I should do? This was a pricier box, but I have 3 pairs of pants. I have a hard time finding pants. I love everything in the box. So the stylist pick subtotal was $384. Yikes. That's the most expensive I've ever had. The buy all discount though, you're gonna take off 25%, would take off $96. The order subtotal would be $288. I don't have any credits or promo or anything like that, so my order total would be $288. So when I started calculating the different, like if I kept this, like if I kept a pair of pants and the tops, it gets kind of expensive because all of the items are actually kind of pricey. And so it's almost a better deal to keep everything in the box than to try and pick and choose items from the box. But you guys tell me what you think. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I do a Stitch Fix unboxing once a month. My husband also gets these boxes, and my little girl also gets them. So we do these unboxings pretty regularly. Let me know what you guys would do if you were in my shoes. Would you keep everything? Would you pick and choose? You know, I know it's a pricey box, but I did like everything in the box. So, all right, guys, until next time, bye.